Time for part 2 of the IOD setup and display. So I have put these clips on all of the products, and they have a clip at the bottom and they open. So I can just put them on the spindle and then that way, hopefully they'll just stay on there and nobody will take the actual ring. They'll just take the product off the clip. So that's what I'm hoping, that I only have to do, you know, hang these once and then I can hang product from them for the rest. So. So let's start getting stuff hung up. I'll just continue to hang and show you what it looks like afterward.
I am Kristen with the Big Sparrow No More. I am so glad you clicked on this video to do some booth work with me today. There will be a third part to this IOD display installation. Come back next Tuesday for that part. I ordered custom wood letters from Becky at the Vixen's Den, whose link will be in the description box below, for identifiers for this display. So words that say transfers, stamps, and ink, and all of the good things that IOD carries. And those will be displayed in a fun way on these ladders to help the customers find what they want. So in the third part of this series, I'll link the first part below, as well as how to build the ladders that I used for hanging the products. I'll add those in the box below. In the third part, I will add those custom words, an Iron Orchid Designs sign, and labels for this metal divider that holds all of my inks, clay, and stamp pads.
How are you doing today? There you go, some antique ball therapy. Yes, I ran away from home yesterday to do the antique therapy as well, so. So this is where we're at right now. We've got the hanging stamps, and then the transfers, paint inlays, and the gilded transfers on this side. I've put this shelf up, but as you can tell, this is too heavy for the shelf. But I don't want it too high because I want everybody to be able to reach the top part of it. So I think I'm going to attach this to the wall just slightly above the shelf, just a little bit, and that way the thin mounts will sit on the shelf right underneath there.
And if you are local, meaning local to Clinton, Tennessee, that is where this booth is located, at the Clinch River Mercantile in Clinton, Tennessee. I do have a second booth in Knoxville at Nostalgia South. However, that one does not carry the IoT products, only this one. I'm working to get the products online as well, and hopefully that will be done this week. And as I mentioned before, that third part coming up next Tuesday, come back for that. We'll be adding the words, the labels, an IoT sign, and of course the summer